2026 is here with us, and as part of anybody's resolution, I know you're wondering what are the most paying or high income skills that you can learn in 2026, and how you can get your level from these to here. So with me is a combined list of 5 high paying skills that I feel are the right ones for you. So this is How to Ken channel. If you see value with the videos that we post, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the list. So one of the high-paying skill, the first high-paying skill that I would recommend anybody to learn is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So we all know the era or age that we are in. We're in an age where everybody loves everything automated. Yeah, people love AI. ChatGPT is here with us. There are so many other different AIs that are leveraging on our work. So they help us reduce the amount of work or the strain that we are having in completing tasks. So with artificial intelligence, it is becoming a gold mine. So you leveraging your skills and learning 1 or 2 things on artificial intelligence, it already sets you from a beginner to someone that can start earning with it. Another thing is on automation. Businesses globally are looking into automation, reducing workforce, and just ensuring that things are done in a smoother and more efficient way. Yeah. So you can start with Google machine learning, go learn a skill there, learn on artificial intelligence, learn on things like Python, and it will set you apart from other people. So on the second skill is on cybersecurity. So with the age of automation, with the age of Internet of Things, cybersecurity is becoming a high demand skill. Yeah, everything has been exposed online. So one of the things that will make you someone who helps others keep themselves safe while browsing, while storing their data online, is if you learn cybersecurity. So cybersecurity basically entails you learning how to protect other people's data and other people's information. So big companies, private entities, you name it, everybody that is online is looking at how do I ensure that whatever information that I have, clients' information, personal information, is safe. So in this, getting a course in cybersecurity is a way that you'll get some good bucks out of it in 2026. So next up is number 3. So at number 3, we have data analysis and data science. So with data analysis and data science, 2026 is providing huge opportunity for anybody who feels like they need to help big companies simplify data that they have. So there is a lot of information. There is cluttered and decluttered information that's online there. So this information is not easy to understand. And for companies or for individuals running sole entrepreneurship and running private businesses that are not that large but still need that data simplified, you learning this skill and you providing your experience and skills within this field of data analysis, it will make sure that 2026, it will give you an upper hand. And with the right skill, with the right roadmap of learning this skill, you might just land into your dream job. And another good thing about learning about data analysis and data science is that the opportunities are endless. You could be living in Africa, but then you're working for a company that is in the US, that is in the UK. So there are so many opportunities when it comes to this field. So with data analysis, you can start with the simple units such as Excel. There is the normal Excel that you have for keeping records, the summing and what. But now when you get to deep data analysis using Excel, Learning that skill will set you apart from every other person that feels that they know Excel. So get to learn an aspect of Excel, learn about Python, and include a few other courses. You could include something like Power BI, learn things to do with SQL. It's a good thing that will set you apart from others, and it will land you to the right career that you need for 2026. Next up, at number 4, number 4 is digital marketing. So digital marketing, emphasis is on AI integration. So something about digital marketing is that companies and individuals are moving from the traditional physical location shops and physical location warehouses where people go to buy things, at a specific location. The one where you see, if you want to purchase something from KFC, if you want to get a piece of that nice chicken, you have to go to the physical location of any KFC. Or if you want to grab that McDonald's, you have to go to the McDonald's store. If you want to get, name it, even a simple charger, a simple glass, you have to be in that physical location. So people are moving away from that, and digital marketing ideally entails having these things it's not a physical, so to speak, but having these things stored in a way that people can retrieve them online. So one way of ensuring that companies are fairly competitive within the digital space is through digital marketing. So with digital marketing, concentrate on AI, concentrate on just having your skill integrated towards an AI model. So the AI is taking shape, and a majority of people are liberating on it. A lot of people are utilizing it, and just ensuring that, you see, their marketing concentrates towards majority of people. By the way, if this is something that you should know, people are shifting from the traditional Google search, and nearly everything that people are doing in terms of getting information is using the AI models. If, for example, someone wants to know the richest person globally, people will search on it from Google, but a majority of people will always opt to use AI. It's already there in ChatGPT. Next, is searching nearly everything within the AI platform. So for digital marketing, concentrate on learning Google Ads, learning Meta Ads, and tools like Jasper AI or Canva Magic Write. So something about this one is on Google Ads, you can always learn how Google operates itself, how it positions its ads, aspects of search engine optimization, get to learn about SEOs, get to learn about Meta. How do people market on Instagram? How do people market on Facebook? These are areas that the opportunities are endless, and it's a greener space where a few people are already into it. The earlier you take the opportunity, the better. And finally, the last skill that I'd like to talk about is software development. 2026 still has greater opportunity for software development. So when it comes to software development, getting to simplify aspects of operations, aspect of human resource, and aspects of delivery, it all entails software development. So within the sphere of software development, I'd like you to focus on areas such as web development. So for web development, you can always focus on the raw stuff. You can learn HTML, you can learn CSS, you can learn JavaScript, bring in aspects of Python. Yeah, it's a good space, and the opportunities are still, there are so many opportunities in it. You could always focus on things to do with WordPress development. WordPress, it's easy, and at the same time, it's a lucrative environment. Then you could always focus on raw software development. Now, this is aspects where you start from scratch, build a software that does one or two things for a company, just getting to learn what it entails and being perfect at it. With software development, the main thing that I'd like to talk about, emphasis is on continuously doing it. If you start learning today, make sure every day is a learning process to you. Learn this, bring it all together, do it over and over again. Once you become perfect at it, trust you me, you'll come back here with a testimony and you'll let me know how amazing year 2026 will be. So when we are starting the year 2026, it's still a ripe year. These are some of the skills that to me I feel can still make you the better person that you want to be, can still give you high income opportunities, can still drive you towards achieving those goals that you have in 2026. Above all, just ensure that when you start doing something, commit yourself to it, give yourself a timeline, and at the end of 2026, we'll all have each other to thank. Otherwise, that has been it for the video. Let me see you on the next episode. Be sure to like, comment, share down below which are some of the skills that you feel are right for 2026. See you. Bye.